In total, there were 8 rounds. All 8 were winners, and none were losers. The $1 target for today was reached. You can download this strategy for free at deriv.com. This bot is designed to help you earn $1 a day quickly and safely. The strategy is simple. Using market patterns and signals for binary options trading, the bot makes automatic and precise trades, maximizing your chances of small daily profits. To ensure the effectiveness of this strategy, it's recommended to have a minimum balance of $30 in your account. This amount creates a safety margin to handle small market fluctuations, ensuring the bot's trades can generate profits without risking your capital. Over time, these small daily gains add up, offering a consistent return without the need for large investments or risks. In total, there were 8 rounds. All 8 were winners, and none were losers. The $1 target for today was reached. Remember, always gamble with fun money, and never with the essential family money. Thanks for watching and happy earnings.